Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended 26th April 2024. In key macroeconomic news, the US economy expanded at an annualized rate of 1.6% in Q1 of 2024 compared to 3.4% in the previous quarter and well below forecasts of 2.5%. US core PCE rose by 3.7% in Q1 of calendar year 2024 compared to 2% in the December quarter of last year, and well above the forecasts of a 3.4% rise in Q1. The US composite PMI's flash output fell to 50.9 in April from 52.1 in March, suggesting further weakness in the US economy. On the other hand, the Eurozone composite PMI bounced to 51.4 in April from March 50.3 and well ahead of estimates of 50.7. The recent elevated inflation readings in the US have prompted fears that inflation may remain persistent and sticky in the 3 to 3.5% band and not fall to the US Fed's 2% target. This resulted in a sharp spike in the bond yields. The US 10-year bond yields are now about almost 90 basis points higher than their level at the end of December 2023. Nifty bounced back sharply from last week's correction to end the week higher by 2.7%. Both the BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices ending the week almost 4% higher. Among key sectoral gainers, the PSU Bank, consumer durables and realty indices rallied sharply. The telecom index was boosted by the follow-on public offering of Vodafone Idea. There were no sectoral losers this week. In select market movers, shares of Tejas Networks jumped 33% after the company reported a net profit compared to a net loss in Q4 FY23. Shares of Sterling and Wilson Renewable also jumped higher by 21% after the company posted strong FY24 revenue growth. Shares of Gujarat State Petronet fell by almost 22% after the Petroleum Regulatory Board cut pipeline tariffs for its key Gujarat network by as much as 47%. Shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank fell by 10.3% after the RBI barred the bank from issuing new credit cards. FIIs continued to be net sellers, selling about 14,700 crores of equities in cash during the week, whereas the DIIs bought a whopping 20,800 crores of equities in cash. US markets also bounced back sharply. The Nasdaq Composite in particular was up 4.2%, boosted by strong results from Alphabet and Microsoft. In this section, we discuss select reports published by the research teams of HDFC Securities. You can access these reports on our website. LTI Mindtree's results were impacted by project cancellations in the BFSI space. The company continued a trend of weak quarterly results by the IT sector companies. We project a 6.4% and 14.3% revenue growth for FY25 and FY26. We retain an ad rating, cut the target price to 5,340 per share. Hindustan Unilever reported a 2% unitary volume growth with flat value growth as pricing remained negative. We expect the demand recovery to be gradual. We maintain a reduced rating. We value the stock at 47 times March 26 EPS to arrive at a target price of Rs 2,500 per share. Tata Elxsi also posted a soft quarter with a ramp down in a media and communication client and delayed ramp up in the transportation verticals. We believe the hyper-accelerated growth trajectory is now clearly behind the company. Given the high valuations, we maintain a sell rating on the company. The company currently trades at 44 times FY26 estimated earnings. ICICI Prudential clocked a 20% year-on-year degrowth in the value of new businesses. We maintain an ad rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 610 per share. Our retail research team published a note on Subros, which is a leading thermal system manufacturer. A government notification requiring air-conditioned cabins in high-tonnage trucks from October 1, 2025 is likely to boost the company's revenues. We arrive at a base case fair value of Rs 662. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer. The securities discussed in the presentation were for education and information purposes only. Thank you.